What's up, guys? This is Kent here, and sometimes there's a vacuum of Bissell YouTube channel. It's called Bissell YouTube channel. So it has a vacuum cleaner and a steam mops and a crosswave. Yeah, it's easy to clean carpets and hardwoods, and don't forget the carpet cleaner. So please, if you like them, subscribe to him. Anyways, without further ado, you guys remember the update of Bissell Healthy Home Pet? It has a 3 times cyclonic action and Febreze used inside otocaustic bacteria. So, if you want them, just give to Kathy Bissell. So, anyways, without further ado, you guys remember old Bissell Healthy Home as back in time in 2009. It has microbes been used inside for the causing bacteria. So please, if you like this, just go to ebay.com. Anyways, my SpongeBob t-shirt is going to help me find a perfect SpongeBob popsicle. And then, I'm going to give this a Bissell Healthy Home, this Bissell Healthy Home Pet, and a Bissell Healthy Home Pet vacuum box. So let's give it to Mailman for part 2. So please, if you want a Bissell Power Force Total Rewind, go to Walmart.com. Anyways, so thanks for watching. Oh wait, there's one comment that I missed. So the Brent TV says, when are you going to show us your face? What? What does that mean? This is my real face. This is my real face, right?